So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy TQQQ put options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So first thing you have to do is go into your Wealthsimple account, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then go to the top here and press on the search bar. Then you can either type in, if you wish, you can type in ticker symbol TQQQ and then press on that, or what you can do is press on cancel. Go to where it says options here, so slide this bar from stocks to ETFs to crypto to options. Press on where it says more at the bottom right, and then 3 options down it says TQQQ. So if you want to change this from a call option to a put option on TQQQ, where at the top where it says TQQQ will rise by, press on rise, change that to put options, which means that the price will fall. And then go ahead. So for me, where it says September 22nd, press on that, and then select the date that you wish to buy the options for. So if you want to go in the money, you can slide up here. If you want to go out of the money, you can slide down here and select whatever price that you want. So if you wanted to go, for example, to this one right here, $39 USD, you can press on that and then go to the bottom here and press on buy and lock it in. So there you go. That is how you guys can buy TQQQ put options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.